Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Health, an introduction to yoga and physiology from NYU Tandon School of Engineering. My name is Ali Seidenstein and I'm a faculty at NYU Tandon. I teach courses such as genetics, molecular biology, and cell biology. My research focuses on epigenetics that is associated with disease, stress, and PTSD. I have here with me today Eddie Stern, a yoga teacher, and Tommy Lee, who also teaches at NYU Tandon. And we're going to be exploring how yoga and physiology are connected. I've also taught yoga for about 15 years and practiced for longer than that. I studied for 3 years in India, and I've been able to also utilize the yoga in trainings for at-risk communities such as developmentally disabled, war veterans suffering from PTSD, and other populations in New York City and beyond. Eddie and I this year co-hosted the Yoga and Science Conference together, and it's been a true pleasure to try to bridge the gap between yoga and physiology and understanding how yoga can impact pathology. Eddie, can you tell us a little bit more about why you wanted to collaborate on this course?
Sure, Ali. Thanks very much. So my name is Eddie Stern. I've been practicing yoga since 1987 and teaching since 1989. Over the years, I've been working to develop curriculums for health and wellness programming in public education, as well as prisons and other populations where yoga would be very efficacious. I've also been engaged in scientific research on yoga for about the past 8 or 10 years. And through all of these different programs, we've seen how beneficial yoga is. And specifically, we've been seeing that the main thing that yoga is doing is affecting our physiological systems. It's not so much just muscles and bones and stretching and strengthening, but we're affecting some changes that is happening on a deep internal level. And we wanted to investigate that a little bit more and push that further into the conversation about why yoga is so beneficial for people.
Great, thank you. So happy to have you with us. And Tommy, can you also tell us how this course influences your research and why you wanted to be part of it?
I'm a senior lecturer at NYU Tandon School of Engineering. I've taught many courses throughout my years since 1995 from different schools here at the Square or NYU at the Square versus NYU School of Medicine, Bronx Lebanon Hospital System, as well as CUNY and Long Island University. My interest has always been neuromuscular physiology. So neuromuscular physiology puts together all of the systems between how the nervous system interacts with the muscular system, which integrates very nicely with yoga. And some of our students at Tandon are undertaking yoga today. And therefore, I thought it was a good springboard into trying to express how these systems integrate itself and broaden the horizons of the students at Tandon. So they're always interested in my side projects, really. So I like to study, other than my basic discipline of neuromuscular physiology, I like to talk about the holistic medicine as well as astrobiology.
And Eddie, how would you define yoga for our audience?
So yoga is a practice which gives energy, strength, and health to your body, balance to your nervous system, and evenness and steadiness to the mind. And when we combine a practice where we have something that we do with the body, something we do with the breath, and something we do with our states of focused attention, we fully integrate our whole organism to come into the same place at the same time, which creates an overall feeling of well-being and presence.
Sounds incredible. And Tommy, can you tell us what physiology is?
Physiology is the study of the body, and therefore it is all about how each of the systems integrate again, and how each system affects each other, what we call the homeostatic balance. And yoga is a great way of aligning this balance.
So thank you both for embarking on this journey. I'm very excited to co-teach this course and help bridge yoga and physiology. In the next section, I'll go through how the modules work and what to expect out of the course.